Hello friends, today I want to show you how we can use a Google Drive. So a Google Drive is just a cloud storage service provided by the Google that allow you to store file online like document, videos, photos, audios and many others, and have access to it from any devices connected to the internet like phones, tablet, computer. So Google Drive will allow you to share files and folders to other people like friends, relatives and the world, and it will also allow you to collaborate in real time using documents like spreadsheet, Excel, slide and other things. So how can we get the Google Drive? So if you want to get a Google Drive, you should make sure that there is all the computer you are using or the phone you are using is connected to the internet. The internet, if I say internet, could be Wi-Fi and then data. Those are the things that can allow you to use a Google Drive. So if you want to use a Google Drive, go to the startup menu, which is located at the startup menu, which is located at the left bottom of our computer. Tap on it. So you type Google. So as you are typing, we are going to use Google Chrome to go to our Google device. So as you can see here, they want us, what do we want to use? This one is our Google and we want to use a Google Drive. So you come to the square icon, which is located at the top right of the computer. Click on it to open. So as you can see, we have account, Drive, email, YouTube, Gemini, Maps and other. So for us, we want to use a Google Drive. Click on it to open. So as you can see, it has been open, and in a Google Drive, the first thing that you need, you must have an account to store your data, document or files. So in a Google Drive, they have given you a free space or free storage of 15 GB. You can see here we have a free storage of 15 GB that will allow you to store any data for free, and if you want to extend it, you go to get more storage, then you click on it to extend the storage space. So I told you that if you want to use a Google Drive, you must have an account, or if you don't have an account, come to this side to the top right corner. Yeah, I'm using my account. You can see my account, Kakanyara Justin. So for you, if you don't have your account, click on this thing, then you will see add account. Then you will be able to, you need to tap on it to add your account. So you will be having access to your Google. Now if you want to use a Google Drive, you need to create some file or folder in your computer. As you can see, these are I'm using my Google account, and you can see there are some other things that I've been storing. They are found here. So Google Drive will allow you to have access to any files that you have created or you have stored. You will store your data permanently. Even if your computer got lost or your phone got lost, then you will be having access to your folder or files that you have stored in the Google Drive. So we need to create, if you want to create a new file or folder, come to new. Here you are seeing this plus sign. This plus sign means you adding something. So you want to add new, click on new folder, then you write any name of the folder that you want to create. Like for us, we can say photo. You can say that we want to create a folder for photo, and then you click on create, then you will see here we have this one. This is our folder, and inside the folder, if you want to create another file inside the folder, you can click on it, then you can be able to click on it, then it will be open too. It will open. Then after you are seeing an empty space like this, go to add new again, then folder, then you write the name. You can say album, then you say create. So this is a file you have created inside the folder, and if you want to go back, go to my drive, then you click on it. So as you can see, this is our photo, and inside the photo we have created another folder of another file. So click on it to open, and you can see that the file that we have created inside the photo here. Inside the photo we have an album, so you will be able to keep your data here in an organized way. So how can we now upload the file? How can we upload the file? If you want to upload the file, go to new, to the new, left click, and you will see we have new folder, file upload, Google document, Google Sheets, Google slide. So the Google document here, this is when you want to use something like words. If you want to use words, then you use Google document, or if you want to create an Excel, then you use Google Sheet. If you want to use PowerPoint in the Google Drive, then you will be able to use Google Slide and other things. So we want to upload the file. Come to new, click on it, then click on the file upload, then it will give access for you to the file, and you select the file that you want to store in the Google Drive. Like for our case, we want to click on to store this one. Click on it and then say open, and if you click on the open, it will be uploading. As you can see, uploading one item. We are still waiting for it to upload. So it has been uploaded. You can see the file that we uploaded here is here. So this is how we can upload our file into the Google Drive. So here your file will be permanently without anything, without any virus attacking it. Even if your PC got lost, even if your phone got lost, your folder, your document that you have stored in the Google Drive will be safe. Now here, if we can even, this one we are seeing that backhouse one, this one is like a note that we want to keep in a Google Drive. So we don't want it to be here. We are seeing we have created a folder for notes here. So you click on it. We need to organize our work. So right click on it and then say organize. So after organizing, go to move, click on it, then you will be able to open for you. Move to where? We are going to move it to the notes. Then right click, left click on it, then go to move. Yeah, as you can see, we are not seeing it here. So it has been transferred to the notes, as you can see. Yeah, it is here, the one you have sent. So with Google Drive, your life will be easy and you will be able to have access to your document. If you want to check on it, there's no need for you saying, mine not got lost. Now for here, with Google Drive, you can be able to share your folder or file with some people. Now how can you share your file or folder to some people? Allocate the file that you want to share with someone, then right click on it, go to share, right click on it, go to share. I said right click on it and go to share, share, right click, go to share. Yeah, so you can see you will type the name of the people you want to share it with. New share to chat space, you can now share with members or of a chat space, so you can be able to share your file to anyone. And if you want to use the link for some people to also have access to your file or folder, then we see we are having general access, then click on the restriction. Anyone with the link restricted. If you have restricted, some people they will not have access to it, but if you have not restricted it, some people they will be able to have access to it and get the file. Then click on this one, and as you can see, so you need to create a link, then say done. So that is it. This is how we can do things, or how we can use a Google Drive. So if you find these videos so interesting or so important to you, or you have got something from it, don't forget to follow me for more videos, as I'm going to be taking you through a computer and how many things in a computer. So subscribe, share these videos, give comments. Thank you for being with me. I love you. Bye bye.